Today we are going to make Patta Gobhi Matar sabzi or cabbage peas vegetable. We will need cabbage 500 grams sliced, peas shelled 250 grams, oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, Hara Dhania chopped or cilantro chopped 3 to 4 teaspoons, tomato puree made of 2 tomatoes medium sized ones, salt 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder half teaspoon, Haldi or turmeric powder half teaspoon, Dhania or coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and Garam masala half a teaspoon. Keep kadhai on medium flame, add oil and heat it. The oil is hot, so now add the garlic paste and stir this garlic paste till it is light brown in color and it starts emitting its fragrance or smell. Once the garlic is roasted, add the tomato puree. Stir the tomato puree for a minute or two and then add the salt, the red chilli powder, the garam masala, the coriander or dhania powder, and haldi or turmeric powder. Stir this mixture well and then add the cabbage and the peas. Now reduce the gas to low or sim and stir the cabbage, peas and the spices mixture well, and once they are mixed, you cover the kadhai or wok with a lid and let the cabbage and peas cook. The cabbage, peas and the spices are mixed. Now cover with a lid and let it cook, and in between at regular intervals keep checking the vegetable till it is done, stirring and mixing and then putting on the lid till it is done. The cabbage is half done, so add chopped cilantro. The vegetable is done now, so you transfer it to a serving bowl and garnish it with chopped cilantro. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Do try this recipe. Have a nice day.